4.23 ounces turmeric clay mask for dark spots are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best 4.23 ounces turmeric clay masks from trustworthy brands to assist you in marking a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Vitamin C Clay Facial Mask for blackheads, pores, wrinkles, fine lines, hydrating, clarifying, and cleansing with turmeric by ANAIRUIZLC Turmeric Face Mask with kaolin clay has a potent cleaning effect and its reviving mud texture is simple to push away. Skincare Mask, 4.23 Oz Deep Cleansing Mask. Daily application aids in cleaning the skin, successfully eradicating acne, and revealing a flawless skin texture. Organic turmeric is helpful in avoiding skin aging, promoting the body's natural production of collagen, reviving the skin, and minimizing wrinkles. Anti-aging and brightening. With ZLC Vitamin C Face Mask, you can detoxify your skin, exfoliate, and brighten weary, stressed-out skin without removing any of its natural moisture. Our ZLC Turmeric Clay Mask has been certified organic and contains squalane. It is a natural skin barrier that is organically certified, imported from Portugal, and combines with human sebum. Clay Face Mask also aids in enhancing the skin's defense mechanism for a peaceful and comforting deep healing. All skin types are acceptable. ZLC face masks are excellent for all skin types, especially sensitive skin, and are paraben, oil, cruelty, and gluten-free. Regular use encourages revitalizing facial skin and helps to successfully prevent oxidation. Please be aware that during transit, the product may move around inside the container, giving the impression that it has been used. You can be sure that the movement of the product during shipping is the only cause of this. New face masks and skin care products are always sent. A clay face mask to improve skin radiance composed of kaolin clay, vitamin C, and turmeric. The ANAIRUI Turmeric Vitamin C Clay Mask treats issues with uneven skin tone and dullness of the skin while reducing blemishes, acne, and dark spots. Superfood Facial Mask, rich in stable forms of vitamin C and E. This turmeric face mask helps to fight the onset of wrinkles, sagging skin, and other signs of age while also revitalizing the skin and preventing the development of black spots. Acne Treatment Mask. This vitamin C clay mask with turmeric also contains niacinamide and honey which hydrate, nourish, and help prevent acne breakouts on your skin. These antioxidants also help improve skin radiance and evenness naturally.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.